5 centimos with scallop 1979 until 1982, Melchora Aquino. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito sa baryong ito guys dahil napakataas ang ating bintahan dito sa ating ceiling online. Tapusin lang ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryong ito. The 5 centimos coins minted from 1979 to 1982 in the Philippines are part of the Bagong Lipunan or a New Society series. This scallop age brass coins features the portrait of Melchora Aquino, a prominent figure in the Philippine history, shown for the contribution to the country's independence movement. Design and composition. The coins are made of brass, measuring 19 mm in diameter and weighing 2.5 grams. They have a scallop edge with 8 notches, a distinctive figure introduced in the series. Obverse design feature the portrait of Melchora Aquino with description Republika ng Pilipinas or Republic of the Philippines, 5 centimos and Melchora Aquino. Reverse design display the seal of the Central Bank of the Philippines inscribed with ang Bagong Lipunan or the New Society, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and the years 1949 until 1981. Minting, produced by the Central Bank of the Philippines in Quezon City. Mintage and value 1979 hanggang 1982. Mintage, estimated value and condition. In 1979, mintage na 12,805,000 kapiraso. At may price na 0.53 US dollars ang kanyang uncirculated condition. At may ginawa din na 3,645 pieces ang proof coins sa baryang ito guys. Ang 1979. Mayroon ding special uncirculated na 10,000 pieces. Price not specified. Ang ating 1980, 111,339,000 kapiraso. At may price na uncirculated condition 0.25 US dollars. At mayroon siyang 28% sa sirkulasyon. Proof coins natin guys ay mayroon 3,133 pieces at walang presyo sa ating source of information. Sa ating 1981, mayroon siyang 48% sa sirkulasyon at not specified ang kanyang mintage. Mayroon siyang price na 0.47 pesos or US dollars at sa Pilipinas ay nagkakaroon ng 28 pesos. At mayroong ginawang proof coins na 1,795 pieces, 0.7% sa sirkulasyon. Ating 1981 nga 5 centimos with scallop. Dito naman tayo guys sa 1982. Mayroon siyang 29% sa sirkulasyon at not specified ang kanyang mintage. Mayroong price na 0.45 US dollars. Sa Pilipinas ay nagkakaroon ng 26 pesos sa ating source of information sa indomista.com. Note, values are approximate and coin vary based on coins condition and market demand. These coins are considered collectibles due to their historical significance and unique design. The 1979 issue with a mintage of 12,805,000 is relatively scarcer compared to the 1980 issue, which had a higher mintage of higher value. The 5 centimos coins from 1979 to 1982 are valuable not only for their metal content, but also for their historical and numismatic significance. They serve as a tangible connection to the pivotal era in the Philippine history, are a cherished addition to any coin collection. Napakaswerte mo guys kung marami kang coins na ganitong hitsura guys, dahil mayroong itong 845 pesos and 28 centavos dito sa ating ceiling online sa eBay. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.